Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. End of the week, Friday, February 20th, and this is the trading alert recap for our futures trading coach live call room. And I'll let you guys know what we did today. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities in the ES, and we had 2 in the TF. So 2 in the TF, 5 in the ES, and I'm going to let you know what we did today. The first opportunity was a short at 8:42 Central Standard Time. The price was 2088.50. 2088.50. I told everybody in the room that the market wanted to get down to 275 and possibly as low as 175. These were the only targets I had on my chart the whole time. Once it got to 275, it filled. It was actually 250, but in order to get filled 275 to the tick, I said that the market may make it down there again, may do one more push, but it does not have to go any lower. I repeat, it does not have to go any lower. This could end up being the low of the day. Okay, so take your contracts off. Everybody had about from 88.50 all the way down to almost 6 points in the trade. Those who waited for the second push down did get that, and that was a beautiful, beautiful way to start the day. Now, for those who got out or missed this first trade, I offered a second option or an add-on. Okay, that was after the 848 candle. Okay, the price was 2085.75. 2085.75. After this candle closed, once the market started pushing down, I just said grab it, see, because they still might get down to this. They had not hit our first target yet, and this is where I knew that they wanted to go. So either for an add-on or a new entry from 86 area, 85.75, push down, and again, that was about 3 points as an add-on or new entry. Same trade in the TF. Same entry on the power play, and that one worked for roughly 50 to 60 ticks. Okay, 50 to 60 ticks. That's 500 to 600 per contract on the TF. Then once this was established here, the market turned around. I said that we had an S play here, 2085.75, 2085.75. We went long. What we were looking for was two different opportunities. Okay, we were looking for a power play up at 2088.50 or an S play down here. So I said that if you get in on this S play here, we're looking for this thing to get above 2088.50, and the target would be 2090.75 and 2093. These targets were on the chart before we even got in the trade. Okay, so those of us who wanted to take the S play got long at 2085.75 after the 933 candle. Others entered or added on at 2088.50 once the market came up, 2088.50, 2088.75, and we took that up to 2090.75 and 2093. Now at that point, most people were out of the trade that didn't have a lot of contracts. I did say that the market could get up to 2095.50 to 2096. And we were just kind of waiting. The market went sideways here and consolidated. Once the market consolidated here, I said if anybody had anything left, we can see if it can get up there. Just kept going sideways, called another S play here after the 1024 candle, 2090.75. Okay, 2090.75. That one was good for 2 points. Okay, and then if it was an add-on from below or a new entry, depending on how it was managed, and whoever was in the trade, we were still looking for that 550 to 6. Now, when at the end of the morning here, our method creator Sam Goldberg came in the room, and basically he called the price up there of 2097. So I had my target there at 550, 575 area. I moved it up to 97. There was 2 targets up there, but since he said 97, I moved it up. And he said if anybody's still in the trade, even though we're closing the room right here at 11 o'clock, you can still stay in the trade, and that's where the market should go at a minimum if it gets above these levels. And sure enough, you'll see right here at 11:36 it did hit that to the tick, and of course the market ended up going much higher, and we did have higher targets of 2101.50, and then we even had a 2108 quarter, which was also hit to the tick almost for the end of the day. That wasn't until the afternoon. Okay, but so in the room here, great day, great way to finish off the week. And also, we also had the long here in the TF, which could have been taken from here, and that was at around 2050 area, 2050 or 1220.5, 1220.7, and again, that one went up again for about another 40 ticks or so, 45 ticks or so, and just a great way to end the week. So we're going to come back to on Monday. We're going to do it all over again, and I want to wish everybody a safe and happy weekend, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.